In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't add card to Apple Wallet. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're experiencing difficulty adding a card to your Apple Wallet, try these troubleshooting steps. So first is you want to check the compatibility. So check the card compatibility. So ensure that the card you're trying to add is supported by Apple Wallet. Not all banks and card issuers are compatible. Now verify the information. So double check that the information you entered matches the details associated with your card and billing address. Next is to resolve verification issues. So some card issuers may require additional verification steps before allowing you to add a card to Apple Wallet. So follow any instructions provided by your bank to complete the verification process. Next is to check your internet connection. So ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. So poor connectivity can prevent cards from being added to Apple Wallet. Next is update your software. So make sure that your device operating system is up to date. So go to settings, go to general, and go to software update to check for and install any available updates. Now clear the cache. So clear the cache and data for the wallet app on your device. So go to settings, select App Wallet and Apple Pay, and clear cache and data. Now, restart your device. So sometimes a simple restart can resolve technical issues. So restart your device and try adding the card to Apple Wallet again. Now contact your support. So if you've tried the above steps and are still unable to add your card, contact your bank's customer support for assistance. They may be able to troubleshoot the issue or provide guidance specific to your account. So if the issue persists, you can also reach out to Apple support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot any technical issues with adding cards to your Apple Wallet. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.